Mina le speaker lesi siyangibambezela. Angizizwa nosisi yangizwanga kahle mina. Yasobona ntwana yami. Uyabona mase hawe yangibhekela sister. Apha amamodla kunabanye abosisi abayithuba amamodla. Beniloka nishuthana noyithungale omunye loka pheze ngathi uyiMickey Mouse ofi. No Maria haya sikho lapho lo manager zami ne. Sila ngokuthi hayi asilungiseni le. Mina uSylvester I'm an ex-convict angisingi celebrity. No ayingenele leyo. Ngoba ngathi siyaziphambanisa. Uyabo? Mina yini abantu ening elevated. Not the other way around, yabo? Angisingi celebrity, I'm an ex-con. Benkwetshwe 12 life sentence 395. Aha. Ay, clever mama buqale khona la. Hayi varle akusamanga yabo. Buqale khona la isikolo kulanga isifundise khona ukubhema ugwayi ukubhema insango. So ntwana yami mayibe uyaphatheka ezolweni dlalela ferry ngeke uzubuye. Yeah, no, sure. Inkinga yama yezoli ilida to ama drugs are serious. And siyazi sonke ukuthi lawa wamanje ama drugs akusama drugs ama demoni. No genuine. Afake kamampela uzongitshela ukuthi kwenzakala. Uyabo? So, assembly sana sina enough time ukuthi ngashare nawe ijourney yami ukuthi ngibuyaphi mara ngibuye eDanyani since ngigwetshwe 1997 ngiphume 2023 after 31 years. Beningakazalwa nonke. Yeah, so it means ngila for a reason, for a purpose ukuthi ngizoshare nawe ntwana nami ukuthi hayi uclever biyekele. Buza mina bungibhadalanga. Uyabo? Ubuclever abubereki. Mawufuna ukuba uclever, iba uclever wencwadi, mina mangathi ngiringisa ingamlala ngeke nibuye. I know genuine. Ngifunde ePidaydeng ngiyesigela. Ngizigelezisile kuphi eDanyani. Unfortunately mina eyami education won't benefit me now ngoba I'm going to be unemployed for the rest of my life because of my criminal record. Yeah, you recognize. Uyazibheka. Yonke lento ngokutshela yona yivari ntwanami dlalela fera amadaksini hlonipha abantu abadala zinakekele nawo. Uyayifrustana? Yeah, niyekele ukubhekana nabanye omunye umntwana la nemhlokomeza ukuthi icathulo zakhe azipolishanga ngokuthi wena ubuyaletha nawuzi. Uyasibhekela ungacabanga ukuthi mawukakele mawugcoka ugeze ebuffini ukake ice cream angithi. Yeah, kamampela. So mina I brought here on nothing but love. Mina lengilethela uthando lwami for nina bafowethu nani masesteri ukuthi back off konto ezinegative is not worth it. Mina I'm an example of clever ngibenzile for wena. Ama drugs ngwabhemile for wena. So when you don't have to do that, when I have to concentrate on your books, nyabo. Take it one kajeno, as if it told one as brutally as it is. So I hope maybe out of this, when okay, Nahanel and when I want to Namo. So hot money at least in TP. When in Turkey it happened both sides, males and females. There are females who take the law into their own hands, but how and why for some they commit crimes. So that's why please, like Nahanela. When after that, I can take again, I can never life sentence. Kentucky Balea, if it can't take a life crime. When the future yaka, it's gone. The minute over the criminal record, you have no future anymore. You are going to be unemployed for the rest of your life. So shy away from crime. Crime comes from drugs. wa bona tsoko ba tsuba mo ntwana ka zone yone ya o lilela di drugs e tlo khosa hore o maintain habit yao tšhelete ba o neang eno ne habit ya hao e never you maintain o tlo nagana hore o batla o utswa kae o tsene o batla o utswetsa bana di schoolmate tsa hao di-phone tsa bona o di rekisa ya wa o ke o di complain di teng already nka ke bua ka ntho e ke e tsebang ya seo ke se bua. You are in a danger zone, my friend. Shy away. When that drugs going to lead you to crime. Crime is going to distract your whole life for the rest of your life. And more young daily, haratrongo if unali ambition, tabu clever. When in Naka the Joy Santana Taka, I want to ya wearing uniform. Ekaring kon naki clever. We are fair on a mana. No, Jenny. I can't tell you. Aquel tell le ka tseba machita re na le private tsa rona ka machita mara as long as apere uniform e one la la fere bo cleveng mfana ka wane mole ke le fifi mole ho rula Lucifer ya mole ao your right so when I concentrate di bukeng tsa hao o be a decent citizen hobane life ya ka jeno e batla nothing but education. Without education yo aki ba le rababona. Hey, ke fitlhile ba bangwe ba rusitse ba kopa nna di $2 ba bona ka re nna ke na le tšhelete ka bane ke dula ke le clean. Wa e tolerate and ha ke tamo a ba mpatale nna dikolo tse ke di tsamang kaofela ke usa ditšhelete tsaka no ke kopile fela thabang orai se kopa ile weekend ka o tšhaka kopa o nne something o ntholle uba o nkise o nkitise ke tlo share le lona di sister tsaka le ausi tsaka la ithola. Thank you. I'm doing this out of my love for you. I get it. The 7 P's, boys, zipper. Books before boys because boys bring babies. There's a pandemic of teenage pregnancies in schools. Girls, take care of yourself. Love yourselves. Then us guys will come running after you. Only if you love yourself first. Baba, how do you mascara, nane? Who will lose? Yo, roteka cheka tennis. Java Shiman, but I'll take a cheka tennis, mana. Outside believe you. What's up about experience? Baba? Yeah. Little one can attack. I never forget. Take care of your fellow sisters. Yeah, take Babon, that's him about that. Banifa Chenete. When now feed the chelete, when say we vinyane fitanya banababange, on a no mascara, no kaka ice cream. Ice cream, kaka ice cream. Mamela. Naga ke ka utshepa wa bona Grootman eo o ka mo wena ile mothomolo a tlo jwetsa ka o thobalano ngwana ka ne o tseba o tlisetsa negative energy. He's doing nothing but taking your innocence. Yeah, just imagine ane moholo mkana abatla go robala le wena sister laka. All that negative energy I tlisang ko wena and ba bang le ska lebala ba sebedisa ditlhare ba lweba. Hey, dingaka tsa bona di ba jweditse hore go batla wana mapotsonono a ene nona mapotsonono a la phapa le rata dino and in terms of booking lona a le tsebe le lona le tronko ya banyana e teng. Yeah, anything and Leona is as brutal, as cruel, Cheka ya banna. Nakina lebo ausimo, but as convict, go today next hona, Kikwino saying ka 5 o'clock, so where to Kikamoki Kosharalilo. Kabaki Sibile Kibileli enough space, Nekorba Kadel sister Lewan, Ako Emamo, Libona or Lelona, Lidimpata Tabanyana, the Sile. Trans Alisides very grande. At the end of I will keep on not listening. Kukwile bara hona lady 7B.
Shimani ke dilo.
Hey, la mamela. Machina. Lelo na ke tseba hore a le ba ke tseke bua sa ke thipa go sestere ne. Mare dalla fere ntwanaka. O ka tsona mare dalla fere go sex one o ka metisa ngwana batho and then fuck all. O ka se maintain ngwana o shaba maule ntata o maintainele. So tata ka dibuka tsao o ya university then you can think about babies. Like first time. Yeah, so and hona le engwe vie. Ko malapeng a rona mo re tswanteng hona le dinkinga. Wa bo mamkholo o lwana le rangwanong ana le mangmang mo. Banka bana ba re kenya ditabeng tsa bona. Yeah, exactly. So ali dikene ha ka tseo mamkholo hey mme wa hao o sela or mme wa hao hey antu why for son ba se bana ba etsang ke kopa diketsetse favor le bana wena mo kena ditaba tsa batho ba baholo aluba ke aluba ke sa maneti wa bo o ba le ke thotse most of our issues tsetswang kwa a re tsema lapeng a tshwana nka tswa mkhokong o tswa hara mention o tswa flateng re hlakana lefatsheng le one the school ground so ka bane seeta saka as Chinese cheka sa hao or as e batha saka ke le kwekwe
Yeah, come see.
a serious one shabela unke awuyeti la ile o ska tong undermine o ska ka ba ka umuli sha shabela fa yabo ya and the tracking thotse mo dikolong tse bona le di matriculants no tshwantse ke ba le teng vele mo
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. uSylvester Mofokeng, ex-convict, ihambela tikolo iwonisha abantwana ngebungoti bokwenda bugebengu nokugcina uphelela ejele kuspend impilo yakhe ejele. Uthi it's not easy kesana, uthi ayikho into lemnanzi alapha ejele, tiyabuya udohlupheka and impilo yakho it's gonna be cut short impilo yakho futhi isikhathi sakho siyodleka. Uthi ufuna wati ukuthi once wangena ejele sekuphelile ongempilo yakho, once waboshwa waba ne-criminal record sekuphelile ngempilo yakho, kude la sewutoqashwa khona ngeke usasebenza, sowumoshile all because of what? Of izimani, fast cash. Uthi bugebengu abukhokheli, ufisa ukuthi ngazuthi bantwana labancane bangakwati lokho basakhula. So guys, into lengiphusha kakhulu ekutheni angifocus emavidweni la afana nalawo ukuthi after listening to Warden Nkomonda khuluma nkosi yami, I was so touched and I was like, hey bana, we know ukuthi igemegeme tiyendeka ema-prison, we know that kuyadliwa ngilana kwenda wa 1 2 3, but we didn't know ukuthi it's this deep, and it was something ukuthi siyicabanga ukuthi nje asijuli ngayo. So uWarden Nkomonda usendile sabona ukuthi we guys asitiphatheni kahle, uzidlalele fair nento leto sigcina behind bars. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out, so goodbye.